here's how you can make glue with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Start by pouring half a cup of water into a small pan, but don't turn the heat on just yet. Next, add 1 ounce of cornstarch to the water. Stir gently for a bit, making sure it's completely dissolved before turning on the heat. At first you might think nothing is happening, but after a few minutes you'll notice small clumps are starting to form. Usually after about 5 minutes. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens to a consistency you'd expect with glue. Something like wallpaper paste or glue you remember from school. Now, while a glue stick might be quicker for most projects, making your own glue is just a lot more fun. So once it's fully mixed and ready, turn off the heat and add a teaspoon of vinegar. The vinegar helps prevent mold, and if you don't have vinegar, lemon juice works too. The key is adding something acidic. You could even add a few drops of essential oil if you want to make it smell nice, but that's more a luxury than a necessity. Once everything is well mixed, grab a clean jar to store your homemade glue. Just a heads up, while the glue looks nice and smooth now, it might firm up a bit after sitting for a while. You can thin it out with water if needed, but be aware that not all paper types handle that well. So it's all about experimenting and find what works best for you. This glue might dry a bit slower, but the best part is, it's your creation.